Noble Steel Group is producer of the office furniture. Generally, we divide our business for the commodity and the projects. And from last few years, we see that the clients are looking for their own solutions, and they're pushing us to engineer to order. Yeah? In the past, it was mainly the products from catalog. Just now, it's a really tailored solution. We are really innovative company because as a third producer in Europe of office furniture, we must be really in the stream, not the follower. We was looking, as usually, for some innovation, and we feel that the only one way to really speed up the business, to be more efficient, is cut to time to market. The implementation of the PLM platform is one of the strategic projects for our company. And we choose the PLM platform, it means the 3DExperience platform from the SOS system, because we feel that the SOS system understood our business goals as one of the best suppliers. We really are using very often virtual space to predefine or to design the answer for the client. The 3DExperience platform is a really good tool to build really quickly and precisely the answer for the client demand. Thanks to using the SOS system solution, we can share our experience and the knowledge directly with the clients. We can have the direct connection from our head of the company to the clients.